everyone, welcome to Southeast Mk2s. So today is going to be our last drive of our black Golf, unfortunately, because it has some gremlins which we need to address. One of them is quite a big one with the engine, so let me show you. So this car was fitted with a 3.2 litre VR6 from an Audi TT Mark 1. What was it, 5 years ago now? 5 years ago, and it's actually been pretty good. It's been, I wouldn't say faultless. First year of its life was faultless, and then it has had a few issues since. One of them being quite a big coolant problem, which we've never really been able to get to the bottom of. But we have since discovered, thanks to a sniff test. There's the colour that it was when it went in. Oh no! It's gone the colour of wee. So the sniff test confirmed that what we have is our coolant level, as you can see, is at 0. But when you turn the engine on, the coolant level actually then rises in the header tank, showing that we actually have a vent somewhere. So the sniff test has confirmed that we actually have a gasket problem. So it's obviously blowing from somewhere, even though it must be just very, very minor and we need to get it sorted really. So that's going to involve actually taking the engine out, something I've never done before in any car, let alone a 3.2 VR6 in this. So yeah, that's going to be fun. And while it's out, it's going to be one of those, well, while it's out, let's see what needs doing. Might as well do the battery tray, because the battery tray is a little bit crusty, as you can see. So we'll rip that out and tidy that up. Reroute some pipe work, because yeah, well, although it's functional, it just could do with a bit of addressing. And yeah, just generally give it a good old tidy up. So we'll be doing that, and there'll be some videos online in the future about that. In the meantime, we're going to take it out on its final drive and test our friend's custom-made GoPro mount, which clips into one of the dash blanks, and yeah, you can see what it looks like. So stay tuned. So for the purpose of this video, we've got a GoPro Hero 7 Black. So not the most modern GoPro in the world, but it's got, you know, decent image stabilization, but not up to the standard of what the latest one is. And so here is the mount. It is made, custom made by our friend here, and it is done through a 3D printer using ASA material, which is a bit like ABS, but just more UV resistant and better for actually being outside in the elements. And it's also can withstand temperatures of 97 degrees C, which if you've got those sort of temperatures in even a black Mark II with leather interior, then you've got bigger problems than just direct sunlight. So you just fit it to your dash right here. So you take out the switch, blank, just like that, put that away somewhere, and then bosh, in it goes. Bosh, and that is solid like that. So let's take it for a drive and see how it looks. What's that? Well, like that grip?
Has torque.
Oh, right, yeah. So yeah, that was fun. Car survived, didn't overheat, You can hear the coolant bubbling away, which I know it's not really supposed to do, but never mind. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you at the next one during the engine removal and the strip down. This will be fun. Cheers.